What's up, guys? If you are looking to buy Hostinger hosting and want to save some extra dollars, you have come to the right video. Today, I'm going to provide you with the latest coupon codes that will definitely save you a lot of money. So make sure to watch until the end. First things first, you need to click on the link in the description. These coupon codes are specifically tied to that link and will only work if you use it to access the site. Once you click it, you will arrive at the main Hostinger page. You will see deals like 75% off web hosting and other great offers. Go ahead and click on Claim Deal. Now, you will see 3 different types of plans. While the plans and pricing might vary slightly depending on your country, keep in mind that these coupon codes work globally and for every single plan. For this demo, I'm going to select the most popular option, the business plan. I'll click Choose Plan, and once the checkout page loads, take a look at the current price. Now, I'm going to click on Have a Coupon Code. For the first code, I'm entering MIDU. This code works for the 12-month plan. After hitting apply, you can see I just saved 10%, which is about $8 off. But we can do even better. If you are looking at the 48-month plan, I have a second code for you, HE Special. Watch the price closely as I hit apply. There we go, a massive 20% discount, saving me almost $53. This is easily one of the best codes available right now. One important tip, these codes are for new users. Check out the link in the description to get started and claim your discount. Thanks for watching.